Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Asterisk today, let's talk about Asterisk The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. But first, let me ask you, do you think financial success is about how much you earn, or is it something else entirely? If you've ever felt unsure about your money decisions, stick around. This might be the video that changes your perspective on wealth forever. Asterisk James's story. A lesson in money behavior. Meet James, a high-income earner who seemed to have it all. A great job, a luxury car, and an expensive lifestyle. Yet, at the end of the month, his bank account was empty. The problem? James was chasing status instead of building wealth. Housel points out that wealth isn't about flashy possessions. It's about the choices you make every day. For James, financial success required a shift in mindset from impressing others to focusing on long-term goals. Asterisk key takeaways from Asterisk The Psychology of Money. 1. Behavior over income. Financial success has less to do with income and more with how you manage it. Discipline, patience, and consistency are essential for growing wealth. 2. True wealth is invisible. Real wealth lies in savings, investments, and the freedom to make choices, not in visible status symbols. 3. Time and patience are crucial. Start saving and investing early to leverage the power of compounding. It's not about getting rich overnight but staying consistent. 4. Define enough. Always chasing more can lead to dissatisfaction. Knowing what is enough for you helps in making grounded financial decisions. Asterisk simple steps to get started. 1. Track your spending and understand your financial habits. 2. Build an emergency fund to handle unexpected expenses. 3. Learn the basics of investing to grow your money steadily. 4. Focus on creating a sustainable plan rather than quick fixes. James's story teaches us that managing money isn't just about numbers, it's about psychology. By changing how you think about wealth and embracing these principles, you can pave the way to a more secure and fulfilling financial future. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel leave a like comment your thoughts and share this video with your friends so they can also learn these life-changing lessons. See you in the next video.